It's just a light, a quiet kind of glow, taking it easy, moving kinda slow. I'm not searching for you tonight. I'm just feeling pretty much alright. Yeah, I'm doing fine, just me and my time. Mirror in the hall looking back at me, finally like the person that I see. No more waiting for a text to show, I'm quite happy being on my own. The room is quiet and the bed is wide.